Welcome everybody to educational video series of Consultancy Global. Today we've got a common topic for you. Most of us have heard about token and coin. They are both assets and they are both digital. But what is the sharp difference between token and coin? I'll tell it to you in a simple way. If you want to support us, want us to create more education content for free, leave a click on subscribe button and keep the notifications on. Let's get started. So the first one will be the difference between coin and also token. Basically, coin and token are transferable digital assets we have or hold in our wallets. The difference between coin and token is blockchain. If a cryptocurrency has its own blockchain, we call it coin. If a cryptocurrency works under another blockchain, we call it token. Now we will see how to identify coin or token or coin market cap. Let's dive into it. When you open the website coinmarketcap.com, we will pick one coin. So it will be Bitcoin. So it doesn't show that if we have coin in the name, it doesn't mean that this is coin. No, people can use this in a bad manner, so they can put their name as blah blah coin and then they can sell it to you, because as you know, behind the coin we have blockchain. Okay, we open the website. How we can find if this is coin or not? So when you go down to the definition of the project, I want you to read it first of all. After reading, you will see something like this. These kind of things. Nakamoto mined the first block on the Bitcoin network. So network basically means blockchain. So we can say that, okay, Bitcoin has its own blockchain. Just assume that we don't know Bitcoin has blockchain or not. Okay. For example, the second project will be Ethereum. And we opened it. We will go down. And as you see, the Ethereum Foundation officially launched the blockchain on July 30, 2015. So we can say that Ethereum is coin because it has its own blockchain. And we will use Shiba Inu. We will give another example by showing Shiba Inu. So when you open a page of Shiba Inu, we will see this one. How is the Shiba Inu network secured? So after reading this sentence, it's easy to see that Shiba Inu works under Ethereum blockchain. So this is a token. So you may be wondering, you may be telling yourself days ago, oh, Shiba is a coin. No, Shiba is not a coin. Shiba is a token. And if you see any friends talking about Shiba and they say it's a coin, you can change their minds and show this proof that Shiba is a token. As you know, Radium is the DeFi platform of Solana. And let's see, I gave the clue to you. So which platform is working under? It's basically Solana blockchain. So let's see if we can see this easily right in the explanation part of Radium. Radium is an automated market maker and liquidity provider built on the Solana blockchain. So this is the key part. When we see this, we will see that, as you know, this is token. So what about Solana? So if Radium works under Solana, that means Solana has ecosystem, which means Solana has its own blockchain. Let's go down and let's check. Okay, this is another example for a project having its own blockchain, and this is Avalanche. Let's go down, and as you see, what is Avalanche? Avalanche is a layer 1 blockchain that functions as a platform. This is basically seeing that Avalanche is coin. On the main page, we can see that we have different blockchains. Solana blockchain, which means Solana ecosystem. We have BNB chain, which means when we click this one, we will see the tokens of BNB chain, and when we click on Avalanche, we will see the tokens of Avalanche. Let's try together. Okay, we have Tether. Oh, this means that Tether is the token of Avalanche. Of course, yeah, this is the token of Avalanche. Not only token of Avalanche, but also the token of different blockchains too. So when we click on Tether, when we see more, we will see that Tether works under different blockchains. On Terra blockchain, Secret, Harmony, Chronos, and also the most important ones, Solana, Huobi blockchain, BNB Smart Chain, and the other ones. We have Avalanche, we have DAI. So DAI is the token as well on different blockchains. Chainlink is the token on different blockchains too. As you know, they are integrated to each other. We have RAN, Sushi Swap, and the other one. Let's click on Solana, and now we will see the Solana ecosystem. Okay, as you remember, we talked about Radium, and it was the token of Solana blockchain. Now we can see Radium on Solana ecosystem. Let's talk about how to make money with this knowledge. You open CoinMarketCap and on keyword bar type mainnet. And after this, you will see the result of different mainnets. So first of all, what is this website and what is mainnet? Let's answer these questions. This website, CoinMarketCap, includes different updates of projects. You can follow different updates of projects by picking the filters and stuff like that. And also, what is mainnet? Mainnet is the term used to describe when a blockchain protocol is fully developed and deployed. Okay, so this is the era when a token becomes a coin, basically. And after doing your own research, analysis of related projects you like to invest, you will pick one of them. Could be, for example, that one. As you see, it has the symbol of significant and also hot. Click on this, find the exchange it is in, and do your technical analysis, and you can buy your own cryptocurrency. So guys, that's pretty much of it. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel and keep the notifications on. And if you want to have more content like this, you can follow our new videos. Take good care of yourself. See you in next video. Stay safe. Bye bye.